Hello designers, how are you all? Welcome to your designer family gzpixel. It's me, AJ. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a video from drawing effect. The tricks I'm following is going to be very easy. You don't need any plugins and we are going to do it from the very scratch. So watch this video very attentively, and if you follow my trick you can use this effect on almost any kind of videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Welcome back. This is our Premiere Pro interface and this is our asset for our project. First, drag paper image and video to our main timeline. Select the video. We are going to take an image from this video. Choose any part of the video. Press C to select razor tool and cut this portion. Press right click of the mouse, select freeze frame. Set source time code and click OK. Now it's converted to an image. Drag the image to the top of our first image. Adjust its size. Now we are going to adjust the first image. That's why lock and hide the top image. Select first image. Go to Effect Control setting. Adjust its size using scale and position. Click the stopwatch icon of both scale and position. Now unlock and unhide the top image. Using scale and position, adjust it with the paper size. Now we are going to mask the top image with pen tool. Reduce the opacity to 50%. I need to adjust it again. Select pen tool. You don't have to be very accurate, just select the inner portion of the paper. Go to blending mode, select multiply or darken. For white paper, these two modes are very effective. Now we need sketch or drawing effect. That's why go to effect, type find edge, drag it to the top image. We got our sketch effect. This effect needs a little bit correction. Go to Lumetri color panel. Reduce the saturation to 0. Adjust other thing as your preference. Okay, it's perfect. Select two image and nest it. Hi there. Sorry for the interruption. I think I should tell you in a brief about the nest and the smart filter of Photoshop. There is no difference between them. Both are same. Using smart filter in a Photoshop, we can edit any image in a non-destructive way. Same things works with the nest in Premiere Pro. And I'm already making a tutorial on it. This tutorial will come on Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button, and please select notification all. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. We nested our two images. Now we are going to animate the nested image with transition. Select scale and position on the first part. Move the line to the middle. Drag the video to the line. Select nested layer and reduce the opacity to 20%. Now adjust the position using scale and position option. Make sure that it's staying on the line. Set the animation style to ease in or bizarre. Both are same. Now delete the opacity mark. It will be back to 100 again. Drag the video to the end point of the nested layer. Take an adjustment layer. Place it between the two layers. Select the line and drag it to the middle point of the two layers. Go to Effect panel, type ProCamp. Drag it to the adjustment layer. Go to Effect Controls, scroll down to the brightness. Move the mark and place it backward. Again, click the dot and place it forward. Now change the value of brightness to 100%. Automatically a mask is made on the line. Let's check the video. We need to adjust the animation position of the nested layer. It's simple, just select the two marks and drag it according to your preference. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to show you the final project using animation, sound effect and music. Okay, it's awesome, isn't it? That's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any confusion about today's tutorial or what kind of video you want to see in the future, you can tell me in the comment section. I'm always active there. You can also follow me on other social medias. Links are in the description. So please do check it. And one more thing, it's a special tutorial video and I always upload this type of tutorial video on every Sunday and Thursday. So Don't forget to check it out. And I also upload shorts daily. So if you don't want to miss the updates of those videos, please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and select notification all. So this is the end of the video. It's me, AJ. I'm signing out. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and most important, keep designing.